Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video we'll be comparing Clay with Apollo. So let's get right into it. Clay is more flexible but has a learning curve. It allows users to enrich data by integrating multiple sources. It is highly customizable and lets you pull 50 plus sources and creates workflows. It is best for companies that need deep lead research and AI-powered enrichment. If we talk about pricing, so the pricing starts at around the basic plan is free for $0 and it can goes up to $720 per month. And you can compare the features on the site as given shown on the screen. Now comparing it with Apollo, Apollo is basically more user-friendly with built-in automation for outreach and CRM integration. It offers data enrichment but is more focused on sales outreach than deep reach. It is great for sales team looking for automated prospective and outreach. If you talk about pricing, the starting plan is same. The basic plan is $0, which is free, and it can go up to $119 per month per user. You can compare the features as given on the website. Now, comparing both of them, my final verdict would be choose Clay if you need advanced data enrichment and custom workflows. Choose Apollo if you need a ready-to-use prospecting and outreach tool with automation. With that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.